All right, so here, right, we're in the form of a x minus h squared plus k, where a is 1, h is 2, and k is 0. A is bigger than 0, so we know that the parabola faces upwards. Combining these two, I know that the vertex is going to be at 2, 0, and the axis of symmetry is going to be at x is equal to h, which is 2. Okay, so graphing this, here's 2, 0. So we already found the x-intercept, it's at 2, 0. Right, and let's figure out the point to the left of it. Okay, because I have the axis of symmetry, whatever the y value of this is, it's going to be the same y value for this. Okay, so plugging in for 1, I get 1 minus 2 squared. Right here I get negative 1 squared, so I get 1 overall. Okay, so here we go. Connecting the dots, we get this. Okay, so for the y-intercept, we're trying to figure out when is, right, x 0, right, what is the y value? Okay, so that basically we're solving for this. Okay, we can easily tell that this is minus 2 squared, so it's going to be at 4. Okay, so this y-intercept is at 4.